The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see? Alright, now, I got the understanding that many persons out there take this COVID-19 thing for a joke. You see me I say? Well, me Dancehall skilla want to make each and every one know so that this COVID-19 thing is no joke. You see me I say? Alright? I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that's going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she caught the COVID-19 at some point, and she went on to explain certain things and send warnings out there. You see me? Look, listen, and observe to these pieces of videos. Alright? Observe with me.
This is my first time doing this video on social media, and I feel the urge of doing it because I went and I saw a situation with the coronavirus on social media, and I did comment on it with this family crying. Said they lose their sister because of neglect down by KPH hospital. And a simple saying to you guys, you see, if you have the coronavirus, the COVID, or that demon weight name, turn on your yard. I had the worst case of COVID, sick unto death. You understand? I'm talking fast because I make a video before and it cut in the middle of it. Stay at your yard. I have the worst case, let me tell you, a coronavirus. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't move. And I tell you, here I am talking to you. You know what help you through coronavirus? Support. You need a coach. I am in the US and my sister is in Jamaica. And I use the WhatsApp video, and that's what she used and coach me through the whole sickness. Let me jump in it fast, right? I feel like one fat man in my back sit down and I press out my heart, right? I feel like my face I drop off of my face. I do everything one place, right? I couldn't move. I don't have the strength to walk, go in the fridge, go get the mix up. Because me and Mrs. blend up and mix up. You know, I hear people I talk about get your ginger and your whatever remedy and your lemon and honey. Listen, I have all of that in the fridge. And I couldn't walk. I couldn't have the strength to walk, to go to the fridge to take a spoon. You understand? And I live alone. Right? I feel the worst pain ever is like all of my ribs. When I turn, all of my ribs them break up in my body. You can't move, you can't stand up, you can't breathe, you can't talk. The two something them down in your throat down here so lock up so. Lock up. So you can't talk, right? So what you do, you sit down and try breathe. Breathe. If you lie down flat on your back, the mucus I go run and go down in your lung and you go dead. Stay open, stay. Somebody have to support, your family member have to support. And thank God for my sister Colleen Price at Jamaica. Because she stayed down there with her friend Mary. Then work on shift. To make sure so me not sleep and make sure so me I breathe. She read out the whole book of Psalms and pray and sing with me. One of the time when she says me I doze off and she feel like me I go down on the back. One time I reach, me feel like me I go dead and me get weak. Me lie down on my back and lick something I drain down in my lung and me I dead. Me couldn't breathe. She said, "Get up, woman of God, get up." And she start to pray and she start to read. A prayer bring me back because me dead. Prayer bring me back and the fighting spirit when me having a me. Right? To fight the demon corona. One of the time me get the strength and me go in the bathroom, that the time me do everything one place in my bed. Me get this for gaggle me throat. the Listerine. I gargle my throat with it. You see when me spit, something when not normal, right? I remember a friend tell me about the neti pot. I make sure carry them in my bed if you show or not. This near neti pot. I put the salt in the neti pot. See it here? You can order it on Amazon. See it here? It called neti pot. It come with the salt. I put it in the warm water in there, and I manage to lean up against my sink in my bathroom, throw it. And you see something will run out of this nostril here. It look like some scrambled egg when me wash out of my head. If them something they go down in your lungs and block it, you are go dead. Let me give it to you straight, the Jamaican style. Listen to me. The nurse and doctor them overwhelmed. Then tired. Some of them don't know what them are do. Then confused. And then go all up in themselves, and then we all neglect you. Not really meant for neglect you. Them are human being too. Turn out your yard. I hear the Prime Minister and the Health Minister, Christopher Tufton, come out and him beg uno and him plea unso no gathering, wear uno mask, uno social distance, and uno bash the Prime Minister, bash the Health Minister. I wanna say it no real, but listen to me, I'm a walking testimony. Listen, I dead road. Me have underlying illness, me a diabetic, and me have blood pressure. You understand? Me all the way in the US, my sister stay at Jamaica, she and her friend Colleen Price, and as she coach me through 4 nights no sleep, 4 days no sleep, sit up like this in my bed. Me have everything in my bed. Me couldn't, one of the time I can't get up. If you can't get up and draw walk, cause corona fight, you have to fight it. It's a demon from hell. You have to fight it. Willpower to fight, to live. I get the worst dose of corona. Don't take this thing lightly, people. Listen, uno here, quarantine on yourself. If you stay at your yard, quarantine yourself and get distance. From a distance, can nobody now come near you. Everybody run from you. They're afraid that you and me alone live. Distance support. Get a coach. Me can't tell about the coach, my sister. Read the word. Read the word. Tell me if you stay focused. Me couldn't talk. Right as I too sitting them black off. Me couldn't breathe. Taste gone. Smell gone. Once you cover 4 days, you know so you climb over. You go over. Hold the faith. Be strong. Moral support. Work. I am here today as a living testimony. Listen to me, I tell you, say, coronavirus real. It's a demon from hell. Remember me tell you, it's a demon from hell. That the pandemic or whatever, wherever it come from, anything on earth where you can't see when none have no body, it's illegal. It's a demon. So you have to take authority over that demon. God said we must have dominion over everything that creepeth upon the earth. You know the word. Stay in the word. Pray over your life and fight this thing. You will survive. God bless and keep you. I hope you take this thing seriously. And listen, you need a coach. You need moral support. You need family support. At a time when you're sick with coronavirus, alone kill you. People died in the US. Thousands of people died in the US. And a lot is gonna lose them life in Jamaica. If them going to the hospital and the hospital now can't contain so much people. Turn on your yard. Quarantine on yourself. Get moral support. Stay in the word. And you can't fight it. Make sure you drink a lot of liquid. I live alone. I couldn't walk out the fridge.
Listen to me. I don't wish bad on anyone. I wish the best for everyone. You see me I say? But all who can hear shall feel. You understand? Do not take the COVID-19 for a joke. Do your best to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. You see me? Some of the things that this female said, I'm not even sure what else I can add to it, because this female send the warnings and share her experience about this whole thing. And me listen and me hear the things that she said. You see me? And in my point of view, just by listening to some of the things that she said, she went through. Me no want to go through those things. See me? Right? So me I say to each and every one out there, see me? Just obey the rules, obey the law. You see me I say, try your best and protect yourself from the COVID-19. You understand? Wash your hands. You see me? Wear your mask when you go out there in public or so on. You see me I say to you, protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. You understand? This thing is a joke. Anyways, I just me I go leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one, and let me know what you think about some of the things that the female said. Alright? And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it. Hey my youth, you know where you watch.